In this video, I am going to show you how to enter floating windows on Oppo K13 5G. I will show you two ways in which you can enter the floating window easily. First, let's open any app of your choice. To enter the floating window for any app, swipe from the bottom to the top right like this and release on the floating window like this. Here is a floating window. You can resize the floating window also. If you want to exit the floating window, click on the three dots and click on full screen. In this way, you can exit the floating window. Now, the second method to enter the floating window is using the smart sidebar. Open the smart sidebar, simply tap on any app. It will open the app in floating window. If you want to close the floating window, simply swipe up like this. It will close the floating window. Let's open another app. Simply tap on that particular app. It will open the app in floating window. You can resize and you can minimize. By swiping up like this, you can close. So that's it guys. In this way, you can use floating windows in Oppo K13 5G. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.